All right, sounds good.
Yeah, so we can call this session. I need to name them too, but like live trading and betting sessions.
Yeah, yeah, for sure.
Okay, so okay, so I'll recap. I'll go over my opportunities right now. So XRP, right? The lawsuit's going great. All that shit's going great. Now, um, when we look on the daily here, let me go and just take everything out. Uh, so it's at a level right here. It's
Yeah.
at a strong level, and before like it was resistant, so that's why it wasn't able to break it support.
Oh, I see. I see.
It's like a freeway. There's like a freeway. It's like congested right here, so it's congested, and and we this was based off of news. So this is based off of news. So after news, if there's not like it could either go if there's not a violent move up, which is not going to be because of the whole holiday things,
Yeah,
um,
exactly.
then it's going to go ahead and slow down and then go back to a retest like how I did right here. And this was a news event right here, so I did
Oh,
like
I
a
see.
retest. So what I'm looking for is okay. So now I'm here, and also we
Mm-hmm.
should be now we're on the downward leg, right? Boom, 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 boom. So we're down, and we should be going up, but now we're
Right,
going
right.
up, and we're at a resistance now, close to resistance. So then now what I'm doing is I'm looking at okay, where could we retest to? So if I do that, I could see that the retest level is going to be right here,
Yeah.
0.382,
Right, exactly.
all these areas which were strong areas, and right here. So I'm looking for a potential retest down here still, but it's like okay, we got money. The money's coming up, right? And we have the VWAP coming up. So
Yeah.
we could have another massive move up.
From
Uh,
there, yeah.
yeah, we could have another massive move up, which is going to take time though. That's going to take like days. But in the
Yeah.
meantime, that's not really my trading. My trading strategy is going to be like zones, trading the zones.
Yeah, exactly.
So if we're going to be retesting, um, overall we're still relatively bullish with the news and the price action. So buys would be a better idea, but just knowing that it still hasn't really retested, um, so just I'm going for a buy. So I go on the 1 hour, and there's um, like a stair
It's,
step,
yeah.
it's like stair stepping. There's
It's
not a
kind of
divergence though. It's not.
it's well, I mean, look from the top of the money wave.
Mhm.
Uh, it is kind of a bearish divergence because it money as the price went up, the money waves went down, and
You
now
mean
kind of yeah,
this one right here?
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, no,
So
yeah,
it's,
definitely. I think it's for the retest.
yeah, so it's still looking to probably break a little lower. It looks like it might.
Yeah, like this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing because normally like after a massive run, it retests for or fucks around for a long time. So what I'm playing off of right now is and there's probably not going to be enough volume in the next couple of days for it to retest down here.
Yeah,
Which is probably going to happen though, but I don't think anytime soon. What I'm banking off of is this thing going like this until it's done for its real retest.
oh, I see. Okay.
Like I'm thinking it's just gonna go through zones, like just like how I did here. Like how,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
like
Before actually,
yeah, like I'm banking right now off of zone trading, not like So okay, so now that I'm doing, so now I'm going for zones, then if I go on the smaller time frames, um, it still looks like a bearish. So I'm banking off another move down here.
and then back up.
Yeah, and then like to here. So I'm banking off like either here or here. I don't, and for sure I know it's going to get shorted down here. I already know that. That's for sure.
Yeah,
Once it gets to this level, because I backtested the crap out of it, and it doesn't tend to do that. But XRP does tend to do some like it goes like and then go back down like crazy, like kind of like how I
yeah,
did here. Like it'll tap it, but it'll bring it down back immediately.
yeah.
So I'm
Is it on
banking.
a 10 minute?
Yeah, this is on a 10 minute.
Yeah. Because I mean, overall, it looks like the momentum is going down from the top of the wave on the where the green is at on the money wave, and it kind of looks like it's going straight down. You know, you get me?
See here.
I mean, it looks like the momentum, money flow, everything's going down. And normally that happens when it's looking for it to go down like a retest. You know?
Yeah. It's starting to curve up though. Look at the VWAP. Look at see, it's starting like a little bit.
Yeah, no, it is. Yeah, it is. It is.
But yeah. No, yeah. I definitely think it's going to be going down more, so it can go back up. So
Yeah, I feel like it might just do a last pump up and before it goes down. You know?
yeah, like I'm thinking, like like right here, since it was like previous support, now I'm seeing that it's having a hard time for resistance.
Resistance. Yeah.
So like the move that I'm anticipating is from here to here or to here. And then as soon as I start seeing market structure do, highs and lows, then I'm placing a buy around here.
Nice.
That's what I'm doing. And then I'm taking I'm taking profit off this zone right here. So that's my my opportunities for today, And we got
nice.
we got Asian session coming in 2 hours, like a little over 2 hours. Which is probably not gonna be that much volume, bro. But I may not even trade it. I'm probably not going to trade it. But if it comes to here, I'm looking for and obviously if market cipher is looking good, then yeah, then I'll
yeah.
Because like watch, if you look on the 4 hour, it's starting to go back up, like because it has so much momentum and money waves coming in. So
it is, yeah.
So so I'm thinking it's gonna go down some more, and then it'll go and do a little up move here. Over here starting to shape. Money waves going down on that, but let's see here. Money going down. What do we got here? And then money curving out. So I think it still has more downward movement, and it still has
a little bit more down. Yeah, a little bit more like a retest for it to actually pump up. I feel like it does. Yeah.
And then we can catch a bigger move on the retest, on the real retest.
Yeah.
Yeah. But in the meantime, I'm going to be trading the zones.
Nice.
Be trading the zones and because I'd rather do that. But yeah, it looks like it's been just for right now. And then once we get some bigger moves, and we can do some lower risk. But I do higher risk trades on this, and then I do a little bit lower risk on these ones because these take a little bit longer, and I want to compress time by adding more risk. But that's what I'm doing on mine. You want to go with yours?
Yeah. Let me just let me go back. Let me just go on my computer because my stuff was upgrading or whatever.
Okay. Let me take off my screen share.
Okay, give me a second.
Or if you want, hey Rob, you can go. You want to, Rob, you want to show your screen, or do you have screen share, or do you want to? How do you want to do it? You can go over your games.
Screen share. Let me see here. Screen share.
I'm joining in, and my computer doesn't let me do it. Yeah, I should, right?
Yeah. I should let you do it, bro. 100%. Yes, sir. All right, you're in. Let me just stop sharing. How did I stop sharing? Oh, boom. All right, so you guys should be able to do it now.
Nice.
Sure. Go get that right there.
It's probably gonna disconnect me right here on the iPad. Let me see. Hold on.
Yeah, we definitely got a retest coming, bro, on the XRPs.
Yeah, definitely, bro. Same with Bitcoin too.
Let's see, where's Bitter at?
Bitcoin.
Hey, but Bitcoin looks like it's still on a strong support, no? It looks like it's doing a head and shoulders though, on the 6 hour, 4 hour maybe.
Recording in progress.
Oh shit.
You probably want to exit the other one.
Yeah.
There's a little head and shoulder right there. Near.
See, let me see. Hold on.
Yeah. Bitcoin chode.
Yeah, it's looking, I mean, it's sitting on a good support. It looked like it already did its retest. Let me try to, hold on, give me a second. One sec.
Sarah.
All right, cool. You see my screen?
No, bro, we can't see your screen now.
No?
Oh wait, no, I can see it now. I can see it now.
Yeah,
I can
okay,
see
cool,
it.
cool.
I can see the screen.
All right, cool. Yeah, so I mean, it was like, you know, I'm going up this little trend line, golden pockets right here. I did retest it off the fib from here, right?
Okay.
Golden pocket. So
Nice.
yeah, looks like it's gonna be probably, you know, same thing, just kind of consolidating from here. But I feel like it might either
Like a
do
double up?
this and bounce from here, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, that's what I'm kind of looking into. Nice, getting a bigger trade. I can trade in. It's probably, you're here. Give me already a triangle. It's probably gonna go down.
Yeah.
I haven't been seeing much strength here behind this here, even though like on the 6 minute. Oh shit. It gave us a little. Where is it at? I don't know. Was it one? Yeah, like this little thing, I could have caught it on the 1 minute,
Okay.
because like it gave us a nice little
I got divergence. Hey, I saw that.
divergent.
I saw that on my
Yeah,
XRP too. That
right
shit
here,
happened
see?
earlier. Yeah, I
Yeah,
saw
right
that, bro.
here, right here. So give us a line. I could have caught this little move right here, like boom.
Yeah.
But the volume kind of sucks, you know. So whatever.
Okay.
But I
Okay.
could have caught it. It would have been a nice little 60%er.
Yeah.
But
I
I'm
mean,
looking into
as
I'm
long as
looking
you,
into
yeah,
those now.
you could just put more risk on it, you know?
Exactly, yeah. So I'm looking into those and kind of back testing those, and like, damn, you know, a bunch of little ones and the woman I can catch. I could have caught this one. Could have caught this one. Could have caught this one with the golden pocket. Perfect confirmation.
Yeah,
You
that's
know,
true. Yeah.
high risk and better reward, and little pump, and just taking kind of out the trade, quick money. That would have been pretty cool. So I'm back testing those, kind of, you know, building a little bit more confidence on those, and especially when you have confirmation like golden pocket, and you know.
Yeah. No, definitely, bro. I mean, yeah, that seems to be and it has like a good, like it reacted very well on that
Really well, yeah, like it
3 times
like,
already.
yeah, exactly, and it hits and it just fucking pops up, and it could have been a good trade, you know, even up to now. I mean, I could have probably been holding on that trade or just taking profits.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, just I still overall, let's see.
And then also, guys, we can use these videos, bro. Like we can send these videos to the people we're pitching or when we're investing. We can be like, that way they can see how serious we take it. You know,
Yeah, that's so true.
they can watch these videos like, hey, like these fools, you know, they're. Anyways, yeah. So that's another idea. That's what we need to create a bunch of content.
Yeah, it makes sense, dude. I mean, that's let's see. Yeah, because I mean, that way they kind of see that we know what the fuck we're talking about, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, still this channel. Still thinking it's gonna go a little lower than where it's at, because it's not giving us higher highs, you know. It's just kind of there. It didn't give us a higher high. If anything, it's looking like a little
And his shoulder there.
Yeah, exactly. So, and then I did the little trend on this one from the neckline here.
Yeah, how big is it? Yeah, man, it's perfect, huh?
It's perfect, bro. So I'm kind of still going for that, you know?
Yeah.
So, but overall,
what would you be looking? You're looking at breaking a retest on the top yellow line?
Yeah, so if breaking a retest on the top yellow line, and then giving us a nice little if it goes lower here, a nice little D right here, and that'll give us a nice little, you know.
Yeah, there you go.
Divergence, bullish divergence, and that'll be the perfect little entry right here.
Okay.
And that'll be for the higher time frame, you know. But I mean, if you see it now, it's, you know, I mean, it could take off from here. Could give us a green dot right here, and it'll still be a nice little uptrend, you know.
Yeah.
Money wave, money flow still going up.
You can put like a trend line too from like the price that's at 4,200 on the previous support. So I look at 4,200, there was support to the left side, and maybe it goes from there. But anyways, yeah, all right. Yeah, Rob, you want to
Do
share
I
your
have
screen?
do I have to download to do the screen cap?
Bro. You just click share screen. Look for
Share
The middle,
screen.
the middle little green arrow
or
What
maybe
is it?
on the Zoom,
What?
on the Zoom, on the
Oh,
Zoom.
on Zoom.
Yeah, on
Yeah,
the
Zoom.
Zoom, where you see yourself right now, like you
All right,
see
hold
us
on.
talking. On the middle of the Zoom
Share
is
screen. Got you.
your screen. Yeah, exactly.
Share screen.
There's all this is like donkey porn.
There it
Can you
is.
see it?
Yeah,
Oh, okay, cool. So look, I'm live betting this game.
nice.
So I already won one.
Nice.
I did just like a minimum amount, and then this one I bet about it was about
Wait, which
for
which game? Which
it's
game?
the same this one. I won this one, but I made another play on it because I can see the way the game is going. So the refs are like calling a lot of fouls on the home team, which
Uh-huh.
means they're basically trying to keep the other team in the game so it can be a good game throughout the time. And then the better team's gonna come back in like the second half, and I'll say it's gonna be an 80% shot that they're gonna win for sure.
So they're just
So
trying
what
to they're just trying to keep the excitement going, huh?
yeah, so right now I already know where it's going, so that's why I made two bets on these dudes to the away team to win by 2 points, and right now they're up by 7 points. So 2 minutes left. I'm in.
You broke.
I can't hear you. Oh,
I think your volume. I mean your voice went off, bro. Can't hear you, Rob. Can you hear us?
Rob.
Rob, we can't hear you, bro.
Oh, you can't.
You're good now. You're good now. We can hear you.
Okay, now we can. Now we can.
Right? Oh,
Wait,
Nah, bro. Okay. Yeah, hold on. Nah, bro, we can't hear you.
yeah, hold on.
Put the AirPods in the case because sometimes they still.
Yeah, no, my headphones are fucked up.
All right, talk to us.
It's still on the laptop right now.
okay. Yeah, I can.
My AirPods are-
The Grizzly Wizzlies.
This shit sucks, dude.
Hey, Johnny, you know that guy, Alex Becker? You guys know Alex Becker, right? The guy.
Yeah.
He said the reason how he got into crypto was through sports betting, bro.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh
because
shit.
he said he made a lot of money sports betting using
Oh,
Bitcoin.
Oh yeah. That's right.
Yeah, and that's how he got into it.
That's why you got into it. Yeah, that's right. I remember him talking about it.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
He's also like a gamer too, no?
Yeah,
He's a hardcore gamer, huh?
yeah,
he's
yeah,
cool.
that nigga's a gamer big time.
Yeah, he is, bro. So he got excited. He gets all excited with the gaming coins.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's true, man. So he's right though. Yes, he can make a bunch of money, man.
Big time, bro. Big time.
Okay, so what I'm gonna wait now is for the second half, right? So when the second half starts, I can go the other way because right now the away team's no, they're not. So let me show you real quick.
Who's the home team? Grizzlies?
Yeah, the Grizzlies are the home team.
Oh, what's the score right now?
Right now it's 65-61.
Damn.
So I just need I just need these dudes to win by 2, which they already did. The quarter ended, so I won already. I won easily $300 right there.
Nice.
Nice.
So now is see okay. So I want the spread. I want the spread to go up higher for the away team because these fools are gonna make a run back. They're gonna make a run for sure.
You're gonna try to beat him
So
hard.
yeah, so yeah, the freaking the pricing or the pricing will go up or the point spread will go up,
And
and
Mhm.
so
that's and see you see how it moves. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
so once the second half starts, these guys are gonna make a run. Maybe not. Who knows? I don't know. But from the most part, what happens is they're gonna make a run, and then I want the spread to be like at 6.57, so it can give me cushion,
Wait,
right?
where's
So
that? Wait, but
Huh?
6.57, but where do you see that?
well, I want it's gonna be here because you want the spread to go up. I
Oh, I
want
see. I
this.
see.
I
Mhm.
want this to go up to at least 6.5. So
And-
let's say, because it's a close game, right? The refs are
Right.
calling a lot of shit to keep the game close and condensed.
Right.
So what I'm going to do is wait until, let's say, these dudes make a run, and then the pricing is going to go up because they're going to start, let's say they start losing, the away team, the
Yeah.
pricing will go up, and then that's when I'll get in, like at like 7. Because
Hey.
let's say if what I'm doing is for them to lose, right? Because I'm thinking the home team's gonna win, so I'm saying they're gonna lose by no less than 7 points. So that's why I want cushion from those 7 points.
I see.
So if they lose by 5, 6, I'm still good.
Right.
Hey, so where do you
So
see so plus 3.5? That's what you're looking for, like
right
spread
here, look at
plus
this is
3.5?
the spread. Look at this is the spread right here, right? You see that spread?
Yeah.
Right now it's at they're right now they're plus. So the plus is that they're not favored, right? That's not the favorite team. This
make
is
more
the
money there.
favorite team.
You can make
Yeah.
more money there.
Well, this is
Or no?
no because you still make money regardless. You still make money because it's at minus 115. But at the plus, when it's a plus is right here,
Right.
that means they're not the favorite team. Minus means they're the favored.
Favorite team.
So
Oh, okay.
yeah, it's a minus. It's always a favorite team, and this is the underdog.
And
So
Underdogs.
that
So
what
hey, so you see where it says win to the right? So
total
no, win in the middle.
win?
So if
Yeah.
if I bet $100 there, how much do you make? What does that mean?
So if you bet $100 here, you'll win 140.
140. Oh, so what if I bet 100 on the other one? It's 85. Just only
You
85.
don't. It's trash. You'll get like 50. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see.
Mm.
Yeah, because if this is and this is how I was telling you when I make a lot of money when I think a
Plus-
team's gonna win
Yeah.
and let's say they're trailing or whatever, but the money's at plus money and I already know these dudes are gonna come back. So let's
Yeah.
say I'll be like, all right, I'm gonna throw 500 on there. I'll make equal money or a little bit more, 700. Yeah, so it's just that's why I like predicting the playoff game. That's why I won like those 2 games that I won right now is just easy money.
Nice.
Yeah, it's just like with
Oh, yeah,
life in it.
you made 300 right there.
Yeah, I mean a quick 300, and then I made a G off of the other game. Even though we lost that one, I bet the half.
Oh,
I
I
bet
see.
the half.
So you netted
Mhm.
you netted 1,000.
Yeah, and then I won a quick 300 here. So that like if let's say we're doing live right now, I could just like I'll be watching the game. I'll be like, oh dude, get in right now, and then that'll be easy money right here. So the other game that I'm looking at is this one right here. It's a
Toronto?
home game for this team. Yeah, home
Mhm.
game for this team. So we can look at the first quarter, right? The first quarter, it's quick and easy, you know. So it's a 10-minute, 12-minute quarter. So we'll make the money super. Let's say the home team's gonna win. I'm looking at these dudes. I think they're gonna win the first quarter
76ers?
for sure. They're gonna start off hot. Yeah, I think they're gonna start off hot. But I'm gonna fill out the game, see how they're playing and stuff, and
Right.
then I can make a call from there. If not, I can just say, okay, well, fuck, I think the momentum's on this side, so I can go with the plus money, and I can bet 100 and win
For the-
120. You know?
If they win the first quarter.
Yeah, if just the first quarter, just the
Gotcha.
first
Yeah.
quarter. Yeah, just the first quarter.
That's,
And then
that's
let's say,
cool.
yeah, so we can make money, quick money on the first quarter, and then boom, we can go to the first half, which is the first and second quarter all together.
First half is first and second quarter. Oh, okay, because there's 4. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'm thinking if everything goes as said, like the other team that we betted on the spread. They won the half, right? So we would have, we were live betting, we could have picked the plus money on them because they came back and won. But I went with the spread, and they needed just 2 points because we had them at 3.5, and we just needed 2 points and it didn't hit.
Also, they need to win by 2.5. That's what the plus means.
Yeah,
Plus
they need to be.
2.5.
Yeah, exactly. They need to win. They need to win by three points or
Whatever.
or more.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So that's what I did with the other game, right? So I was like, okay, fuck. They fucked up here, so I feel like they're gonna come back, and then I'll go with the plus money over here. And
so-
that what happened?
So plus 2.5 means that they have to win
Yeah.
3.5 points.
Yeah, they have to
3
win
points.
by three and above in points. If it's under that, then you're fucked. You kind of want the point margin around here
It's
because
easier, right?
a team usually never wins by 1 point. It's always by like 2 or 4 or more.
Oh, okay.
It's rare to be able to get like I would say like in
Close game.
like a close game by 1. It's never like that. It's usually by 2, 4 around there.
Oh, what is total? So you can bet on total too?
Yeah, you can bet on total. This is a money line, which means you can do this, or you can do the over or under in points. So if you think they're both gonna go under, right, or they're gonna go over because they're gonna score a lot of points. Which the game I'm watching right now is going over because they're scoring a shit ton of points. But that just depends on the pace of the game. Like if they're like top scoring defenses. But this one they're playing against a defensive team, which is the Raptors. Are really good at playing and adjusting. And then these dudes got like 2 powerhouse players, which they played before, and they do kind of struggle against these dudes. But I don't know. I feel like since a lot of people have been like the media's been talking shit on the Sixers, I feel like they're gonna come out, firing out with all cylinders and play pretty well.
Nice.
So yeah, I'm thinking about, because what I do sometimes is, even though I want this guy, I still go sometimes and I do the money line. I just wait for this line to go down in pricing. So I'll let it hit. Let's say they go down by 2 points, the pricing might go to plus money, and I can just get in plus money, and then where they can just come back and just win the first quarter.
I got you.
So that's how we can get plus money and even money. That's the way we can you get a good return on investment compared to like 160, and it's just not gonna make sense. So that's what I do. I just let the runs come by from the other team, and then that's when I'll see the plus money and then just get in and basically short it.
Nice.
Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at right now. I feel like in regards to like this game, I feel like the Sixers are gonna win I'm pretty sure they're gonna win.
That's remember. Oh yeah.
What happened?
Oh yeah. Remember how we said how like if a lot of people think that Philadelphia is gonna win, then maybe the other one. Like
exactly.
Hey, what's up with that software, bro? You have it? Can you show it or not?
Yeah, look, I'm gonna go on here. So okay, so right here, let's go where public. All right, so let's go with the public. So public thinks.
Oh, this is dope.
So yeah, right here, so bets, it's almost 50-50, right? But a lot of the money's going to the Sixers. So they might fucking pull back on the Sixers, and then for that first quarter, and these dudes can start off hot. So that's something we can definitely look at too.
Like if you're a market maker, you wanna bet on Raptors or they want to rig it to Raptors.
Yeah, exactly. Because a lot they'll try to flip it on you. They'll try to pull the rug on you so they can, like what I was telling Esteban is that what they'll do is they'll trick you, right? The first, second quarter, thinking like everything's gonna go to shit because you can live bet, right? So people are gonna think like, oh damn, I should just put money on the other team. like
Right.
that, right? So they can just keep spending money, right? Because what we're talking about, Esteban, right? Like, let's say we put money on one side and then the other side is like that keep the
Hedging,
amount.
like hedging.
Hedging over it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, like hedging. Yeah,
Hedging
Mhm.
because like
yeah.
yeah, like because
But
if
that's
you, if you hedge it, because I was thinking if you hedge it and if it's and you do a little bit on your plus money and shit, that means that if you lose on the hedge because they rigged it, that means you can still make some on the other one, you
yeah.
know?
Look at
Yeah,
what we
true,
can
true.
like. Look at what we can do here. Let's say we can go with the plus money here, and then we can go with these dudes winning. It's at minus 115, but they're gonna win by 2. Like, let's say you do 50, you win 43.
Yeah.
Not
And then
bad.
and then what about the other? But yeah, what
And
are we
then
gonna?
and then we go over here. We do both. Let me see here. 50, you get 60.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
So if you lose, hey, like I mean, I think either way you'll end up making money on it like that, like a little bit, 10 bucks. Oh wait, no, because you no, you'll no, yeah. Either way, yeah, because you only lose you'll end up only
Less.
losing $2, bro. If you hedge it, you can either make $10 or lose 10 or lose 2. But I
Yeah,
guess
that's what I'm saying.
hey, so they allow you to do that. That you can hedge bets on Bovada.
Yeah, you can do it, bro.
That's
But
cool.
they're not gonna say anything. So
Make
yeah,
a
that
little smarter plays, you know?
yeah,
Yeah.
like that. Yeah, you don't like fully lose the full amount, you
The
know.
full
But
amount, you know.
the so yeah, because what you can do as well is to say get in with this one right now, and let's say they make a run, that's gonna go plus money over here, and then we can go do plus money here too, and then it'll probably even out.
Wait, so okay, so the first quarter, who do you think? Let's say who do you think's gonna win? Let's just we'll just do theory, doesn't it? Yeah.
Me, I'm thinking since it's a home game, the Sixers are gonna win the first quarter. I feel like they're gonna play well.
Okay, so
The
you,
other team was favored earlier. The one I gave you guys was they're like super favored, but they're playing away. They're in a home team,
yeah.
so that's why a lot of the momentum was on the home team. Even if they were
Right.
losing, their like their star player, they were at home, right? They were hyped. So that I think that took a big part in them taking like the first quarter and playing through the second half pretty well, even though they lost the second quarter.
Yeah.
But I
It's
think them playing home, and since a lot of people have been talking shit on them, I feel like they're gonna come out playing very well. They have two of the best players, but we'll see.
Yeah.
These guys are pretty good too. So I just gotta wait and see how the game is going
How
and
the
how
game
the refs
operates. Yeah.
yeah, because the refs can control the game too. Like this game, they weren't calling a lot of fouls on the home team, so I'm like, so that's giving the other team opportunity to score more. So that's why I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna fucking just put money on the other team twice because I can see where this is going. They want the momentum on the away team right now, so like that they can keep this game going and flowing pretty well and
yeah, because
closely
like
hmm
together.
yeah. Hey, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, dude. Damn. Imagine we had to hack the referees' microphones, bro. That way we can hear what they're saying.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm telling you, that's literally that's how I make my money, bro. But that's why sometimes I don't like I like just waiting and just watching the game so I can see what's gonna happen. You know, I'd rather lose that way than
Mhm.
putting it beforehand, not knowing what's gonna happen.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah,
Yeah,
live trading is better.
I don't like that. I can't predict what's gonna happen. I'd rather lose where I feel like it's gonna go this way, and if it doesn't, fuck it. You know.
Yeah.
But me not knowing and knowing the unknown, I don't like it. To be honest, personally, I just don't like it.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, because I just made fucking quick $300, bro. Like just by couple freaking plays in the game. You know, just by seeing that and making just quick decisions off that.
Yeah, true that.
You know,
You have
and
more
that's with
control over it, you know?
yeah, and that's within like a couple minutes, bro. You know, that's within a couple minutes. And you feel more confident about it, you know, compared to when it's like the unknown. You're just like, fuck, what's gonna happen, you know, because you didn't really think it out. You're not seeing. I mean, you're watching the game, but you didn't really you're not analyzing it as, let's say, if when you're live betting, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I mean, hey, why don't we do this? I mean, you can like, yeah, the live bets. You can. I know it's hard to get in, but like, Yeah, you could probably do those, because I think that might be because live betting you can call those are trade bet ones, one bets where like they're very more confident. And then you can tell us, you can be like, yo, live bet this one won, and we can put like, a little more percent or something like that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, usually, let's say like, when we're like, I think it's easier when we're on the call like this, like, where I'm live betting, because again, let's say if we're not on the line together, then everything's gonna change fast, because it's just fucking back and forth, and the pricing will change fast, so it's like you have to get in, get out,
All right, hey, so let's talk about a schedule then. Let's talk about
Yeah, true.
the schedule. So I applied at some other places too, bro. I didn't know, I forgot, bro. Like a lot of corporate places, you got to be vaccinated.
Oh, shit, out there
fuck.
too?
Yeah, bro. Yeah,
Damn.
it's weird, bro.
Even in Florida?
Even in Florida, yeah, bro. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Like it just depends on the company, It depends on what the company, like what they think, like their culture, their
Oh,
perception. you know?
their perspective, yeah.
Yeah, their perspective on it, and like, cause but yeah, so but yeah, I'm most likely gonna get that. I mean, I don't know for sure. They're gonna hit me up on Monday, but I applied to a bunch of other spots too, like around where I live, because I would like to just like just close by, I like to just work there. And then that way, I did the math. I would still have money left over to invest in like shit, because I want to just be buying XRP and that's it.
Yeah.
I just want to buy XRP, bro. I just want to load up with that. But yeah, I guess we can talk about the schedule thing. Oh yeah, that's your homie shit, right? Or oh no, okay, hey, or what do you think about? Hey, did you have any MLB bets on there?
Not as of yet. I'm waiting for like the later games, and then from there I'll give it to you. I'll send it to you guys.
Hey, what?
Nice.
Oh, okay, no worries. Oh yeah, so I guess so my work. Oh yeah, so like I mean, I would be back home by like 10:30 or which is 7:30 your guys' time. So like we could do like we can learn the hedge fund thing at 10:30, at 7:30.
Mm-hmm.
We can learn hedge fund stuff at 7:30. Then we can do our live trading, live betting whenever
Yeah,
other
true that.
times. Yeah, like hey Rob, is there any games in the morning? When do you normally do live betting? I know it's random, but like
it
what?
just it like this weekend there's a lot of games, right? So like right now there's
I'm trying to see,
so
bro, if we should, because we could do it in the morning, because like we do like I don't know if it'll fit with yours, because I mean I don't know if it'll fit with yours, Johnny, because I got I don't know if you're gonna trade the sessions, like because I know your strategy would be a little bit different, because you're gonna wait for those price zones, the
Yeah.
better trades. So I mean, they could happen during the sessions, during the New York sessions or whatever. But I was thinking like, so we could do I guess we could just commit to just doing the 7:30 or 8 o'clock hedge fund training, and then the other one could just be like on call. You know what I'm saying? Like play by the ear.
Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I mean,
And
we
then
can catch some games too and do live.
no, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, like that one will happen when like Robert, you can just tell us, oh, hey, bro, like let's do
Yeah.
this. I'm like, all right, but like the one that we have to, the one that's actually scheduled is like the one for 7:30. That'll be 7:30 your guys' time.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah. That
You
works.
yeah,
know?
that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, like 7:30.
We can
Yeah.
Yeah, cause and then like we can live bet. We can figure out what days we can live bet. I mean, there's games on the weekends too. That's like, I mean, we're free most of the time
We're
on the
doing it
weekend.
right now, right? We're doing live betting right now, in a way.
Yeah, right now it's already started. So I'm just waiting for. I'm just waiting to see where the game's going. Like the other team's coming back. You see,
Yeah.
it was a 68